In this exercise, we're going to find the prime factorization of the number 18. Now, one way that we can find a prime factorization is by a series of divisions, and we'll do that in this case. We'll start with the number 18. 18 is divisible by the first prime number, the smallest prime number, which is 2. So we'll take 2 into 18, and we get the number 9 for the quotient. 9 is not divisible by 2, so we'll move to the next prime number, which is 3. 9 is divisible by 3, so we'll take 3 into 9, and we get the number 3 for a quotient. And we see that the number 3 is a prime number. So from this series of divisions, we can read the prime factors of the number 18. They are 2, 3, and 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3.